We can easily add number of columns or rows in numbers. So let's see how we can do this thing. Here we have on sample table, I want to add a column here. Like for example, I want to add a column at the end, like notes. So to do this thing, at first we need to click on top of the table, and here we will see this type of table highlighting uh, a row or column information will be there, where you will see A, B, C like that. To add column at the end, uh, the easiest way is just right click the position where you want to add the column and choose before or after. For example, this is this column price. If we want to add a column, we just need to right click and it will bring this menu. From here we have two options. One is add column before, other is add column after. If we want to add the column after this column, then we have to choose this one. Or if we want to add column before this price column, we have to choose this option, add before, column before. Okay, so I'm going to add a column after this column, so I'm going to choose add column after, and very shortly you will see a new column has been added. In this way, if we want to add a column before, for example, here we are seeing product image, price, but we don't have any product videos, so we can also add a column here. So we can select the column. Now we are going to add a column before this price, right? So right click and then we have to choose before, right? Add column before, and here it will be inserted the column. And now we can write the column header like product video, and here we can make a notes column. So in this way we can easily add a column inside this number. Now if we want to add a row, we have to follow the same way. So choose the row where you want to add the row. So suppose for this case, like this is the column, not column, this is row, white rows. We want to insert a row after this row. So what we need to do this thing, we just need to select this header, this like row header, and right click. Same way we will find this type of menu. From here we have option like add row above, add row below. If we want to add a row after this row, we have to choose this option. Otherwise, if we want to add a row before this row, we have to choose this option, add row before. So I'm going to add a row after this row. So what we need to do, right click and then choose after, right? Add row below, this one, add row below. So I'm going to choose this option, and very shortly any row will be inserted like this. And that's it. In this way we can easily add a column or row in Apple Numbers.